We are continuing the series for algebra exercises via Brilliant. So in the previous video, we've done exercises on exponents, and now we're gonna do shortcuts. So the distributive property, and I'm not sure what exactly is in the next few like warm-up exercises here, as you can see. So let's actually start with this one. Evaluate this expression. Let's copy it over. I could try doing some interesting thing with the tablet here live. Let's see. So we're going to do smart select. We're going to select this thing and save it. Then we're gonna go back into our window here, drag it like this. Okay, and then we're gonna import this image here. There you go. Let's actually make it a little bit smaller. So instead of me copying it, we can just copy it via the screen write function, like screen select function. Okay, but this isn't important. Now, so what do we do here? We have, they are hinting to use the distributive property. So in this case, what we're gonna do is gonna distribute. We're gonna actually say 2015 like 1999 minus 1379. This is going to be over 1999 minus 1379. See how nice it actually goes? So those two cancel out, so you have 2015. So the result here is 2015. Interesting. So 2015, that was correct. The next one, let's actually make this a little bit bigger. If a equals 2, b equals 7, and c equals 9, let me just have a nice division between them. Okay. So if a equals 2, b equals 7, let's say a equals 2, b equals 7, and c equals 9. What is the value of 1 plus a plus b plus c plus ab plus bc plus ca plus abc? So this is equal to question mark. They give us a hint here. I'm not sure I can follow. But anyway. So a plus b plus c, I mean, we can simply replace them. This should be a short, a very easy exercise. We can simply replace these over here. So it would be 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus AB 14 plus BC 63 plus CA 18 plus ABC. 63 times 2 equals 126. This is going to be equal to question mark. So we have 3. Let me actually change the color here to make it look nicer. So we have these two, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 10, 19 plus 14, 33, all the way up to here, plus 63 plus 18 plus 126 equals to question mark. 33 plus 63, 96 plus 18. So this is actually a brute force and not a very nice approach to actually solve it, but anyways, 33 plus 63 plus 18, so 96 plus 18 is 114 plus 126 equals 240, which is over here. All right. Next one, 87. So let's actually divide. Let's do it nicer with a straight line. Going back to our yellow color here. So we have 87 squared minus 86 squared. What do we do here? So use the difference of two squares identity. This actually means that we have 87 minus 86, 87 plus 86. This is what they want us to do. So 87 minus 86, this is actually evaluating to something simple. So you have 1 times 87 plus 86 is 173. So equals to 173. Let's actually circle that with the green color. 173, and that is correct. All right, so factorials here. 6 factorial times 7 factorial over 10 factorial. So let's go over to page 2 and do a little bit of a reminder of factorials. But first, let's also divide this like that. So let's go green now. 6 factorial, as a reminder, equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6, if I am correct. So you have 6 factorial times 7 factorial. In this case, this would evaluate, so we have 6 factorial times 7 factorial over 10 factorial. So how would we go about this? How many minutes are we in? 9 minutes. Okay, and I think 2 more challenges. So 6 factorial times 7 factorial. 6 and 7 factorial would have both of these. And what's left in 7 factorial, so 7 factorial will have this and also times 7. So in this case, the expression here evaluates to 7, or a better way to actually approach this, let me just scratch this. If we simplify 7 factorial with 10 factorial, In this case, we'll have 6 factorial. Over here, we'll have nothing over 8 times 9 times 10. And in this case, you have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. Okay, I guess there's no space left here. So let me scratch this and actually write smaller. So it's 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 over 8 times 9 times 10. This is equal to, you have 5 with 10, that's 2, 9 with 3, that's 3. What else can you do here? 3 times 2 with 6, and then there's left 1 times 2 times 4 over 8. So this is equal to 1. Interesting. Let's see if we're right. Yep. Is this the last one? Yeah. So algebra shortcuts. Use the difference of two squares identity one more time. Okay. Let's divide. Divide and conquer. So go back to, let's do yellow. So 40 times squared minus 38 squared over 40 times minus 38. So this is actually really simple. We'll go very fast over it. So we've learned 40 times squared minus 38 squared. If we apply the difference of two squares identity, so it's 42 minus 38 multiplied by 42 plus 38 over 42 minus 38. These two simplify, and we have 42 plus 38, which is equal to 80. 80. And there we go. All right, that's it for today.